Are you tired of the false promises about making money online? Of methods that seem to work only for others? Maybe you've already tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, or even selling services online, and realized it's not as simple as they say. Now you find yourself lost, watching motivational videos promising easy money, but the truth is different. In this video, you're going to discover how to actually generate results online, without wasting time on shortcuts that don't work, and in a practical way. I'll show you real strategies, businesses with real potential, and how you can start building your income today. Stick until the end, because I've prepared something special that will accelerate your learning. By the end of this video, you'll understand why almost every method of making money online works, but not all of them work the same way for everyone. You'll know which businesses actually have profit potential with a proportional investment of time and money. You'll see how small, consistent actions turn into solid, scalable results. And you'll learn how to develop a growth mindset that prepares you for obstacles and ensures continuous improvement. These are the 4 pillars of online success, and we'll dive into them now. The first pillar is understanding and preparation. Before taking any action, you need to understand the landscape. The online world is like a jungle. They will try to sell you everything, from miracle courses to unknown apps promising instant wealth. But the problem isn't that the methods done work, it is that they done work the same way for everyone. Each path has a learning curve and requires dedication and consistency. The first step is planning and clarity. This means defining clear and achievable financial goals, evaluating how much time and money you can invest without compromising your routine, and studying the options available critically and objectively. Many give up before they even start because they don't have this preparation. When done right, you protect yourself from frustration and increase your chances of success. The second pillar is smart execution. Execution is where the magic begins. But be careful, there's no such thing as easy money. It requires consistent, strategic action. Among the most promising businesses, 2 stand out: Kindle publishing and YouTube. With Kindle publishing, you create digital books and sell them through Amazon KDP. But it's not just about publishing and waiting. The key is driving traffic strategically. Platforms like TikTok offer a free and powerful way to reach thousands of people. Imagine posting videos showing your book, using strategic hashtags, and replicating content that goes viral. Journals, diaries, coloring books, and humor books have high viral potential. A single video with 100,000 views can generate thousands of dollars in profit with minimal investment. On YouTube, the path is creating a channel with content people actually want and monetizing it through ads, partnerships, and your own products. The secret is understanding metrics like CPM and RPM, choosing a profitable niche, creating engaging videos, and paying attention to click-through rates and audience retention. The longer viewers watch, the more YouTube recommends your content, and the higher your earnings. And here is a natural call to action. If you really want to take advantage of these strategies, subscribe to the channel. Here, you'll learn step-by-step how to turn knowledge into real online income without empty promises. The third pillar is scale and consistency. Having a good idea is not enough. To turn effort into tangible results, you need to scale and stay consistent. In Kindle publishing, this means publishing more books, experimenting with different formats, and optimizing content that performs well. Each book is an opportunity to generate passive income and learn what works. On YouTube, it means studying audience behavior, testing thumbnails, titles, and video formats, and constantly improving your content. Delegating tasks can accelerate growth. If your goal is small, you might manage alone. But if it's ambitious, delegating production, editing, or campaign management is essential. The key here is understanding that the path is not linear. Obstacles will appear, but each challenge you overcome builds your skills and awareness. Every difficulty you face becomes learning you can apply in the future. The fourth pillar is monetization and intelligent expansion. This is about turning effort into consistent and growing income. For Kindle, it means optimizing successful books and using paid or free traffic to maximize sales. On YouTube, it means diversifying revenue streams, ads, affiliates, products, sponsorships, always creating real value for your audience. The essential mindset is that every action should have purpose. Every book, video, or post must contribute to building your financial freedom. With discipline and strategy, small actions turn into significant results. Now that you know the 4 pillars of online success, understanding and preparation, smart execution, scale and consistency, and monetization and expansion, it's time to act. Nobody achieves results by staying still. Start small, learn fast, replicate, and scale. Here is a final tip. Share in the comments which pillar you are going to apply first. Your experience might inspire someone else to start their journey. And of course, if you want to keep learning how to create consistent online income, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. New videos with practical, real strategies are coming soon.